anchorage of Majuro Atoll. It's quite large, fits quite a few ships at anchor in the middle there. Geologically speaking, it's all formed on top of an ancient volcano. The corals started forming somewhere around 70 to 80 million years ago, and leaving us with these tiny little coral atolls with a nice deep harbour in the middle. During the war in the Pacific in World War II, these harbours were vital to the efforts against the Japanese Navy.
G'day viewers, well it is finally a nice day here in Majuro. The water is glassy, the sky is blue, a few high level clouds around. Probably the best day we've had since we've been here. We've been here for a week at least now, and probably looks like we're going to get out of here today, heading dockside, and then it's back to fishing, thank Christ. The helicopter's fixed, we've got a new transmission on it, and so we'll be flying this trip. So I'm sure by the end of this trip I'll be sick of flying and looking forward to getting to port, but who knows. Anyway, just bask in the glorious day that is in Majuro in the Western Pacific Ocean.
Wake up, miles round. Don't you know the forest is designed? Midnight downtown. Don't forget your promises. Alive. It's all in fables, locked up in stables, where we arrive. It's tangled cables, it's clanging sleigh bells, where we align.
Coming dockside was always an interesting and scary affair. More than once the fishmaster had hit the dock with the boat, steel on concrete. But this time he seemed to do okay. He took his time and we got in between these two boats. We'd spend the entire night there, offloading our yellowfin catch into shipping containers. Don't forget your solaces behind. It's all in fables.
It's recording already.
Locked up in stables, where we arrive. It's tangled cables, it's clanging sleigh bells, where we
Thanks, mate. Oh, we're still in Majuro, and you might notice something different behind me. A couple of shipping containers, and we're actually offloading our yellowfin catch into the shipping containers. So this is something really unusual. It doesn't really happen that often, from what myself and some of my friends have seen. from a person. Normally just throw it all into the carrier. But tonight, still a Majuro, and they're putting it into the shipping containers. Something different.
It's still in my head. You kissed my hair and said what you say. Remember my fear. It's still in my head. I waited for so long, but you didn't care. Remember last year. It's still in my head. You kissed my hair and said what you said. You don't know heartache until you know none. You don't know sorrow until you're undone. Remember last year. It's still in my head. I told you I'm sorry, but you didn't hear. You don't know heartache until you know none. You don't know sorrow until you're undone.
Next time on Tuna Pirate. We're back on the hunt out at sea and we're heading towards the international date line. We'll spend a bit of time out there looking around. We'll certainly get some flying in. The month would turn in to be my biggest one yet. However, there were going to be problems afoot. If you're enjoying seeing the Tuna Pirates adventures, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Once again, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time on Tuna Pirate.